Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy and nutrient dense chili garlic rice which is perfect with any side dish of your choice. It's easy to make, even bachelors can easily make this chili garlic rice. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make garlic rice, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup of long grain rice. I'm adding in some water and allowing it to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the rice is soaked, wash and rinse it thoroughly until the water runs clear. I'm boiling some water to cook the rice and I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt. And once the water starts to boil, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the soaked rice. Put the flame on medium high and allow the rice to get cooked. While the rice is getting cooked, let's get the other ingredients ready. To make this garlic rice, I'm using 1/3 cup of garlic cloves and I'm going to chop the garlic as thinly as possible. Once the garlic is chopped, keep it aside. Next, I'm using 3 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. Once the green chilies are sliced, keep them aside. Let's check on the rice. Okay, now the rice is cooked. So I'm going to strain the rice. Once the rice is strained, keep it aside. Heat a wide pan or a wok with 1 tablespoon desi ghee. Once the ghee is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the chopped garlic cloves. Give it a stir. Allow the garlic to get lightly roasted. Stir it on and off and remember to keep the flame on lowest. We don't want the garlic to get burnt. We want to get it roasted and turn into a light golden brown color. Okay, now the garlic has started to turn light golden brown. So at this stage, I'm adding in the chopped green chilies. Give it a stir. And after about a minute or once the raw flavor of the green chilies has diminished, I'm adding in the strained and cooked rice and mix the rice really well. Allow the rice to get sauté for about a minute, and while that is getting done, I'm thinly slicing a handful of coriander leaves. Add in the chopped coriander leaves. Stir well. Add in half tablespoon apple cider vinegar for some healthy gut-friendly probiotics. Now instead of apple cider vinegar, you can also use juice of half of a lemon. Now stir this really well. If you're using apple cider vinegar, remember to turn off the flame and then add in the apple cider vinegar. Give this a real mix and my quick and easy healthy chili garlic rice is ready to serve. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry and Nellikai in Malayalam. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make amla rice, into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of long grain rice. I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing the rice to soak for 10 minutes. While the rice is getting cooked, let's get the other ingredients ready. So I'm using 4 medium-sized amla, also known as Indian gooseberries, to make this amla rice. Amla has one of the richest source of vitamin C, hence they help to boost our immunity. It also helps to fight off common cold. So whenever amla is in season, do try to include amla in your family's diet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grate the amlas. Once the amla is grated, I am grating in a small piece of ginger. Into this I am finely chopping 3 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. Now let's check on the rice. The rice is almost cooked. Another 2 to 3 minutes the rice will be ready. If you have leftover rice, you can use that instead. Okay, now the rice is cooked. So I'm going to strain the rice into a strainer. Okay, I have strained the rice and I have kept it on a strainer. Heat a wide pan or a wok with 1 tablespoon wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil. Once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, and reduce the flame to the lowest and lightly roast the chana dal and the urad dal. And once it is lightly roasted, add in 2 whole red chilies. Give it a stir. Add in 2 handfuls of roasted peanuts and give it a stir. Add in 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Lightly give it a stir. Add in the grated amla, ginger and green chilies. Give it a stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, fresh curry leaves. I'm just stirring the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released, and give it a stir. And on low flame, saute the amlas for about 2 minutes. Stir it on and off so that it does not get stick to the bottom of the pan. And once the amlas are sauteed and is cooked, add in the cooked rice. Give it a stir. Once mixed, check salt, and if you feel you need more salt, you can add in some extra salt. And once the rice is nicely mixed, you can turn off the flame. And my healthy and nutrient dense amla rice is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any side dish or homemade pickle of your choice. So guys, do try this amla rice and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.